Magandang umaga po sa lahat at sa mga sumusubaybay po sa atin. We're still here at the message about what makes the New Year new, part 2. At yung text po natin makikita sa Philippians chapter 3 verse 13, according to Apostle Paul, forgetting what lies behind and straining forward to what lies ahead. Sabi dito, the New Year give us a new calendar, new date, new material things, but it doesn't give us automatically a new life. So, Apostle Paul teaches us that newness of life comes from God, not to a calendar, not to a new material things that you receive, but it comes from the Lord our God. So, what makes the New Year new? Sabi po dito, letting go of the past makes the New Year new. Ayan, kung gusto mong ma-experience yan yung bagong taon, mga kaibigan, ay kailangang kalimutan po natin yung mga nakaraan sa atin, mga kaibigan. Let it go. Sabi dito sa Philippians chapter 3 verse 13, forgetting what lies behind. So Paul does not mean losing memory, but refusing to be controlled by the past. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na kalimutan mo na yung mga nakaraan mo or mga na-experiensyahan mo noong nakaraan or mga memories mo. Pero ang ibig sabihin dito ni Paul that hindi po natin papayagan na yung past will control us. Yung we are being controlled ng ating mga nakaraan. The past may include failure, sins, and hurts. Yan kasi yung may bigay sa atin ng past. Sins, failure, and hurts. Holding on to the past prevent us to move forward. Ayan, kaya nga hindi tayo makamove forward kasi we are dwelling on our past. Sabi dito, Isaiah 43 verse 18, forget the former things. Ayan, kalimutan po natin yung mga nakaraan. Do not dwell on the past. Sabi ng Bible, in Hebrews 12 verse 1, lay aside every weight. Ayan, mga kaibigan, lay aside po natin yung mga bagay na nagbibigay po sa atin ng kabigatan. Ayan, so dito sa Bible, in Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2, ano pong gagawin natin? Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2, sabi ng Bible, looking unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. Ayan. So, tumingin lang po tayo sa Panginoon. Magsilbi po tayo sa Panginoon. Serve the Lord with all of your heart. Wag po tayong lumingon sa ating mga nakaraan, mga kaibigan. So, sabi dito, a new year cannot be new if we keep living on the past. So what makes the New Year new? Letting go of the past makes the New Year new. God bless po. God bless po sa lahat.